This video is for Nigerians and Africans, mostly Nigeria. When I talk about Nigeria, I'm so pissed off and so angry with Nigerian security. They say that there is no security. You see, this thing you are looking at is mirrors attached to this long building. This building is about 15-story buildings, but these mirrors are attached on the body of the building, covering the whole of this area. You understand? This mirror you see, as many as you see them, captures different sides. You understand? You can see, I cannot count it, but I know it's more than 30. So this mirror stretches to almost more than close to a kilometer, with strategic cameras placed in different areas. This mirror is on this wall, this body of the building, and the job is to capture everything that is happening in the whole of this environment, this community. Look at the environment. I just want you to see. These things are buildings. Look, these ones are buildings. All these buildings I'm showing you, many of them are not less than 15 stories, and they stretch, one building stretch to more than 2 miles. Look around, look everywhere. These are buildings. These ones are buildings. The same thing everywhere you go. Buildings everywhere. Do you know why I'm making this video? I'm making this video for you Nigerians to see how important security is. This is ordinary. This mirror you are looking at can capture many things going on in this environment, and nobody will even know that. You know, like someone is somewhere kidnapping somebody or stealing or doing something illegal. This mirror, when they check the cameras, they will capture the person and they will go after the person before you even know that something is happening. They're already seeing you, because every police is connected to this mirror, to all the cameras. Look at the yes. So look at, I'm the one talking. You see, security is not all about carrying big guns, standing on the street, harassing people, or using a more tank to block the way. That is not security. Like I keep telling you, look at it. The mirrors, you can call them satellite, you can call them mirror. Sometimes people call it satellite. Yes, that satellite, it rotates like this. It rotates like this to capture anything that is happening in the environment. Do you get the point? This is intelligence. You don't need to sit one place and you are waiting for a command when things are happening in your environment. When this satellite rotates, it captures people kidnapping, people abducting, people raping people, or whatever, or maiming people. This is what this satellite is a reflective product that gives information or relay what is happening in the environment. This is what we are talking. Nigerians are not thinking. What the leaders who are supposed to serve, what they are doing is to form party up and down. LP today, tomorrow is APC, the other way is PDP, and this one, the new one, they are forming nice AD. That makes no meaning. It's rubbish. It's bunkum, because it serves nobody. It helps nobody. Poor people are still poor. Hungry people are still roaming the streets. Pregnant women still cannot properly go to hospital or even free medical care, for their unborn babies. And even children who are real malnourished, they can't even feed well. Even though the little they eat, they need support of the medical experts, as in what to supplement, or to complement, as in supplement on, about the food they eat on a daily basis. So what can we say and what can we not say? You know, we can't keep flogging the matter every day when we know that the foundation of Nigeria is faulty. The foundation, I keep saying it. You can play whatever you want to play. You can do any game. We all know that the foundation of Nigeria is faulty. And the people who made that foundation are still around. And they are still try to maintain why they see faults coming from whatever they had planned in the past. You understand? So when you see that things are not working, they have allowed the Fulani henchmen who has come to kind of grab people's land. They hear it on a daily basis. They see it, but they do nothing about it, because it is part of their plan to capture or to sack people and take over their land, which I believe they cannot. If you are living in my land this year, when I come back the next year, I will monitor the land. When I come again, I'm going to clear anything. I'm not going to inform you. If it is my land, it's my land. So if you don't have a land, go back to your place and locate and find your land. No matter how herdsmen move up and down, they cannot take my land or any land that belongs in my community. It's not possible. Man, I'm going to come back. When I come back, I'm going to sack all of you and whatever you think you have. You have nothing. But I'm telling you, this is how to check on security. It's all what they are talking about here. Security is not just carrying armor tankers and having big guns, disturbing and harassing people on the street. You think you have security. So this is a kind of information that you guys need. This is intelligence. This is how to follow. If these things are done in every state, in all the corners, I don't think people will be crying. And state police is very, very important. If you have state police, they will be able to mind their security around their community, not bringing somebody from federal. You call IGP of police. Something is happening in Sokoto, something is happening in Enugu. That is not security. It's not security. You are deceiving yourselves, and you know the truth. You understand? But the people who do not want state police are the people who want to take over people's land. People still know. Nigerians, I don't know what they are doing. Some are still... They are antagonizing each other, talking about rubbish from everything, instead of them to talk the substance, which is the politicians who are making life very difficult for them. They are busy talking something else. This is where I'm going to rest my case. But I've shown you this is how people live, and this is how people live, and they live very happily. No molestation, no intimidation, no harassment, no victimization of any kind. Do you get my point? This is what I have for you guys. We keep updating you. We don't have any other job. We have come. We have come. These days, devil has started putting on white. They used to wear black. The guys are now putting on black. I mean white. I mean the devil. You know what I'm talking about. The politicians, they've started to wear white. Who is the devil? If you know the devil, show me. Goodbye. Don't play.